Pokémon GO Fest 2025, Max Finale takes place on August 23rd and 24th, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. local time. 2 days of battles, rewards, and a brand new challenge await. At the center of it all is Dynamax Eternatus. Defeating this powerful form in max battles won't let you catch it. What you'll get instead is a large haul of Eternatus Candy and Eternatus Candy XL. These are vital, and remember, you can only catch Eternatus once during the event. Up to 100 trainers can now join the same Gigantamax or Eternatus battle, split into groups of 4 or fewer. During the event, Dynamax Eternatus will dominate most power spots. Alongside it, every Gigantamax Pokémon seen so far may also make an appearance. The battle schedule is set. On Saturday, August 23rd, Gigantamax Lapras appears from 10 to 11 a.m. Snorlax takes the stage from 11 to noon. Gengar arrives from noon to 1, followed by Inteleon from 1 to 2. Venusaur battles from 2 to 3, Macamp from 3 to 4, and Toxtricity in its amped form from 4 to 5. On Sunday, August 24th, Rillaboom leads from 10 to 11. Charizard follows from 11 to noon, then Butterfree from noon to 1. Kingler steps in from 1 to 2, Blastoise from 2 to 3, Cinderace from 3 to 4, and finally Toxtricity in its low-key form closes the day from 4 to 5. And for trainers who prefer to stay home, there's another option. MagFone Location Changer can simulate real movement, letting you join max battles at power spots without leaving your couch.